Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's constantly battling fine lines, loss of elasticity, or dryness in your skincare routine, you're probably always on the lookout for that miracle moisturizer. Well, today we have a product that promises to tackle all of that and more. Let's take a closer look at the Peter Thomas Roth Peptide Skinjection Moisture Infusion Cream. This 1.7-ounce jar of luxury is marketed as a powerful moisturizer designed to improve firmness, elasticity, and combat dryness using an impressive 21 amplified peptides and neuropeptides. This cream is more than just a simple moisturizer. It's packed with high-tech ingredients like hyaluronic acid, known for its skin plumping abilities. But what sets this apart from the many others on the market? Let's dive in and see how it holds up in real-world use. When I first incorporated this into my routine, I was immediately struck by its texture. The cream has a smooth, rich consistency, but doesn't feel overly heavy or greasy. It absorbs fairly quickly into the skin, which is a nice bonus for those who don't have the time to wait for product absorption in the morning. I found that it left my skin feeling moisturized, plump, and noticeably smoother after just one use, which is always a good sign for a moisturizer. It wasn't sticky, nor did it leave any residue, which is something I particularly appreciate in a product that claims to be hydrating. One of the things I was most interested in testing was its ability to improve the firmness and elasticity of the skin. As someone who has always been vigilant about anti-aging products, I applied this cream both in the morning and before bed for a few weeks. The result? Subtle but noticeable improvements in the overall texture of my skin. Fine lines around my eyes softened, and my skin felt more taut and firm, as the brand claims. The hydration effect is also real. Dry patches were significantly reduced by day 2, which is impressive for a cream that promises long-term effects. Now let's talk about some of the key pros and cons. Pros: the product is refillable, which not only makes it eco-friendly, but also cost-effective in the long run. It's lightweight despite its rich formula, so it won't clog pores or feel too heavy on oily skin types. The inclusion of peptides and neuropeptides is a strong point, especially for those looking to target firmness and elasticity as part of their anti-aging regimen. My skin felt smoother, and I noticed a decrease in the appearance of fine lines over a few weeks of use. Great for those with dry skin, it really packs a hydration punch without being greasy. Cons: at $85 for 1.7 ounces, it's definitely on the pricier side. While it works, the price may deter some buyers looking for a budget-friendly option. It does contain fragrance, which may not be suitable for highly sensitive skin. The jar packaging, although elegant and luxe, isn't the most hygienic choice since you'll need to dip your fingers in each time. As for value for money, you're paying for a luxury product with active ingredients that really make a difference in terms of skin texture and hydration. If you're someone who wants to splurge on a product with a high concentration of peptides that works quickly and effectively, this moisturizer is a solid choice. However, the price might not make it accessible for everyone, especially when there are alternatives out there that offer similar hydration and anti-aging benefits at a lower cost. In terms of comparisons, a good alternative would be the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream with Peptides, which is more budget-friendly but still quite effective for hydration and firmness. If you're looking for something slightly more accessible, this might be a better route for you. When it comes to build quality, the product is packaged in a sturdy, luxe-feeling jar though. As mentioned, I wish it were in a tube or pump for hygiene reasons. However, the refillable feature is a thoughtful touch that makes this feel more sustainable. As for longevity, I've been using this cream consistently for a few weeks now, and the 1.7-ounce jar has been lasting quite well. With daily use, I would estimate this product could last about a month or so, which is standard for high-potency moisturizers like this one. If you've ever had to reach out to Peter Thomas Roth customer service, you know they are generally very responsive. I've heard good things about their support team, and they're known for addressing concerns quickly. So would I recommend it? Yes, if you're someone who is looking for a high-end product that targets hydration, firmness, and fine lines. This is definitely geared toward more mature skin or anyone experiencing signs of aging. But if you're on a tighter budget or new to anti-aging skincare, you might want to explore more affordable options first. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this moisturizer or have any favorite peptide-based products, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.